What's up, guys? AndersCubes here, and we have our X-Men Tornado V3. Now, I don't know which one it is. I'm super excited. I got some other stuff too. So let's just jump right into it. So there are only a couple made of each version. I think there are like 9 versions. So we'll just have to see, I guess. Alright, so here's the X-Men. I got a cube cover and some stickers. But you know what we're all here for. This is the X-Men Tornado V3, right? Alright, let's open this up. Wait, where's Jimmy? Hold on. Alright, I got Jimmy with us here, and now let's just crack this baby open. Alright. Oh my gosh, guys. We have got the tangerine version. I wanted this. Let's go. Now, I am pretty sure this is the most common cube, but it does look absolutely insane. Oh my god. Oh, it turns so well. Yo, look, you can literally see the setting inside. So, wow. It looks so nice. So as you can see, you can even see like how it works inside. So like in here, let's see if I can focus this. But you can like see the springs inside, like right here. It looks so sick. Alright, so now we're going to get the accessories, and I'm pretty sure it comes with some special stuff. So it comes with this special cool card. Yeah. It has a tutorial just on, the X-Men. Now I'm pretty sure you cannot use this in WCA, so it's just a collector's item. It doesn't come with stickers, so it's meant to be a stickerless cube unless you would like to sticker it. But yeah, man, it feels so nice, honestly, and I think this is like actually one of my favorite versions. I'm glad I got it because I actually like this from the start. Let's see if we can take the center cap out. You can see it right there. You can adjust it. And the center cap looks clear, so yeah, pretty nice. And also it does have the logo on each side, so you definitely cannot use it. But yeah, as of right now, it's a force cube. I'm probably gonna stick with this just for fun, and then I can actually solve it. Yeah, but it feels super frosted. Feels like it doesn't even need lube or anything. So yeah, and the unboxing experience, pretty sick. I mean, you got different colored boxes. This is a new box. It has like these cool words. Probably means limited edition or something, I think. So as you can see, this yellow, like, it's kind of the same color as all the accessories. So I'm pretty sure you know from the logo here. So yeah, I'm super stoked with this. It was $50, so it's only $10 more than the regular version, and this is the Pioneer. So yeah, I'm super stoked with this, and it looks super cool. Actually, we're going to check the insides. Yo! Okay, so the insides of this look actually absolutely sick. So as you can see, this is how it looks. Sorry, my camera's kind of blurry, but it looks super, like, it's all clear. It looks super nice. This is the tangerine version. And as you can see, the magnets are green. And inside, you got a green ball cord. Look how sick that looks. Let's see if I can... Do you guys see that? It looks so cool. Wow, green magnetic cord, and it looks really cool on the inside. So you could definitely, I think this is already out of stock because people just like went crazy for it. But this is a better alternative than the GAN limited editions. I'm happy that GE's doing this, and it'd be pretty cool if Moyu did as well. So yeah, and it's pretty easy to take apart. There's no adjustable magnets, obviously. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and let me know which one, if you bought one, which one you got. And yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.